Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a Honda Element 2003 to 2011. This is the passenger side. The video is at double speed. It only takes about 8 minutes to watch the whole video. You've got a faceplate there and a cover there. That one's a little more challenging to get off, but you'll get it off. Just play with it a bit and it should come off. There's a clip on the up, right there, right where that screwdriver was. There's a clip right there that holds it in. So pull that back and you should be able to get it off. Took me a minute, but it's coming. If you need these, you can find them on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com, upanddownmainstreet.com. I've got them on there. We ship them out pretty quick. So you get 2 screws there that I guess I must have already taken off, and then a clip right there. Take off the speaker cover. You've got 3 longer screws that hold the speaker in. Those come off. This is actually quite easy to do. There's one screw right there where my finger just was. There's a little clip you open up and take off that screw. I guess I took that off too before the video for some reason. And now you don't have to take off the moisture barrier, but I'm going to take it off just so you can see everything that's going on. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. That'll help other people, such as yourselves, find it on YouTube when they're looking for it. It helps me out with YouTube. Thanks. If you have any questions, ask it right here on the page and I'll answer it. You get 2 slightly longer 10mm bolts there and there. Those come out. Then you can put the glass all the way up. A little bit of WD-40 on the 2 up and down channels on the side. Always a good idea every 3 months or so. The run channel, the rubber dries out. 7 bolts that hold the motor and regulator in place. A couple retaining clips on the original one. The one you get probably won't have those, so I used a cable tie just to secure it. Out with the old. In with the new. I put one of the bolts on the upper left just to anchor it in inside the door panel. Oh, by the way, when you take off the door panel, it's best not to pull the switch housing off. Theoretically, you can, but it doesn't go back in properly. So just pull the panel up and unplug the switch housing. And we'll tighten all those down, 7 bolts. Very nice. And bring out the wiring harness. And then I had to turn the key on because the bracket was about a 1/4 inch too low for me to put the bolts back in. I realized it right there. Don't put it up a little bit, otherwise you'll strip the threads on the clips. So I'm plugging it in now just for a second so I can just put it up 1 inch. That should do it. And again, don't strip these bolts when you put them into the glass clips. That creates some issues. And then I'm going to get a cable tie to secure the wiring harness because it did not have those little retaining clips. So I mean, it's probably fine as it is. It's probably not going to get in the way of anything, but not going to hurt. And that's it, my friends. The rest of it you can watch as you wish. Again, if you have any questions, please just ask them right here on YouTube. And if this was beneficial to you, do me a favor, like the video, and thank you for watching. Have a great week.